We are solving question from GATE 2014. This is from electronics branch and it is from subject digital electronics from topic sequential circuits. So we are given a digital logic in the figure and it says that it satisfies this state diagram when Q1 is connected to input A of XOR gate. Okay, so we are given two D flip flops. So Q1, this is the first flip flop whose output is Q1, this is the second flip flop whose output is Q2, and the state diagram is given. Okay, and it says that this state diagram is satisfied when this Q1 is connected to A. So when there is direct connection between this Q1 and A, then this state diagram is satisfied. Now it says that suppose this XOR gate, so this is an XOR gate, so it says that suppose this XOR gate is replaced by XNOR gate, then which of the following options preserve the state diagram? So input A is connected to Q2 bar, input A is connected to Q2. This is the second option. Third option is input A is connected to Q1 bar and S is complemented, and D is A is connected to Q1 bar. Okay, so it says that now the XOR gate is replaced by XNOR gate. So which of the following options will preserve the state diagram? Means the state diagram should not change. So four options are given to us, and notice that option C and option D are very similar, except that in option C it is given that input A is connected to Q1 bar. In option D also input A is connected to Q1 bar. But in option C an additional statement is given, A is connected to Q1 bar and S is complemented. Okay, so option C and option D are very similar with only the difference of S in option C. And what is S? S is the second input of this XOR gate. So first of all, if you want to verify this state diagram, then you can also verify it. This is Q1, this is Q2. Okay, so if you want to verify, then Q1 next state, the Q1 next state has to be equal to Q2 present state. The next state of Q1 is equal to the present state of Q2. So this is the first equation, and the next state of Q2. Q2 next state is equal to Q1 present state XOR with Q1 present state XOR with S. Okay, because Q1 is directly connected to A. So you can also verify this state diagram by using these two equations. Now if we want to see this equations for this circuit, then Q1, or we can write that Q2 is equal to, when this is XOR gate only, so I am considering the first case when this is XOR gate. So when this is XOR gate, then Q2 equal to A XOR S, which is equal to Q1 XOR S. Okay, so this is the case first. Then for the case second, Q2 is equal to A XNOR of S. A XNOR of S. But we have to preserve the state diagram, so these both equations must be equivalent. So Q1 XOR S has to be equal to A XNOR of S. Both these equations must be similar. But we know that Q1 XOR S is equal to either Q1 bar XNOR S or Q1 XNOR S bar. Okay, this is the equation for equivalence between XOR gate and XNOR gate. So Q1 XOR S is equal to Q1 bar XNOR S or Q1 XNOR S bar. So either you have to complement Q1 bar or you have to complement S bar. You cannot complement both at the same time. So similarly we can write here this is equal to, so either A has to be connected to Q1 bar or S has to be connected to S bar, or S has to be complemented. Okay, either A has to be connected to Q1 bar or S has to be complemented. So in option C, it is given both at the same time. A is connected to Q1 bar and S is complemented. So this option cannot be correct. Option D is correct, because in option D it is said that A is connected to Q1 bar. So option D is correct, and option A and B are about Q2 bar. Input A is connected to Q2 bar, so that is not relevant at all. So either A has to be connected to Q1 bar or S has to be complemented. So only option D satisfies this equation. So option D is correct. Thank you. If you have any doubt, you can post your comment in the comment box, and please like and share the video and subscribe the channel. Also share the video link with your friends. Thank you and best of luck.